Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and his friends. First, I am going to draw a big rectangle. Then I am going to divide it into 6 small squares. In the first square, I will draw my favorite Pocoyo. I draw his face and his cap. Then I draw his eyes, nose, and smiling mouth. And his body. Now I am going to draw Nina and her funny hat onto her head. And also her hair, eyes, nose, and smiling mouth. Her shoulder. Next to her, Ellie the elephant. I start with her eyes, then I draw her elephant nose. The shape of her head and her 2 big elephant ears. I draw her shoulder and also the straps of her backpack. In the 4th square, I will draw Pato and his hat, his eyes and his beak. Finally, I draw his neck next to him. I draw Lula the doggy. I draw the shape of her head with her 2 ears. I draw her eyes, her nose. Last but not the least, I draw Freddy the octopus. I draw his silly eyes and his widely open smiling mouth, with his 1 tooth. Great job! Now I am going to use this black marker to make this drawing clear and beautiful. Let's start coloring. I color Pocoyo's clothes with blue and little yellow here. Then I use red for his mouth and his skin with this light color. I color Nina's skin with this cream. Then I use pink for her mouth and dark red for her hair. I color her outfit with this green For Ellie's skin, I use this pink marker Then I color her backpack straps blue. I color Pato's skin yellow. Then I use orange for his beak and green for his hat. For Lala's skin, I use brown. Then I color her ears purple. I color Freddy's skin with this red marker. Excellent! And finally, I use black for his mouth. Let's color all the squares behind all characters with the color of rainbow. The first square behind Pocoyo red. Then the second square behind Nina, I use orange. The third square behind Ellie is going to be yellow. The fourth square behind the Pato will be purple. Fifth square behind the Lala is going to be blue. And finally, I use green behind the Freddy for the sixth square. Excellent! If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.